everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna make an air cannon. What you're gonna need is a paper cup. You're gonna need a bag. This is a produce bag that you get at the grocery store. You're gonna need some pom-poms and masking tape or duct tape and some scissors. So I'm gonna take my paper cup and I'm going to poke a hole in the bottom. Ask for help for this, kids. All right, and I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger than my pom-pom. Then I'm gonna take my plastic bag here and I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna put it over the top of my paper cup. All right, I'm gonna tape this around the cup so it's nice and tight. You want it to be airtight if you can. It'll work so much better the tighter that seal is. So now I'm going to blow into the hole of my cup and it's gonna expand the bag. Kind of like blowing up a balloon. Now, my tape came loose. Yours might also. Use some more tape, tighten it up. That was to test it to make sure it was nice and airtight. I need a little bit more tape, do you? All right, I'm gonna finish blowing it up. Now it held the air. I'm gonna put my pom-pom right in the middle of the cup there. All right, 1, 2, 3. If you want to do more fun activities, check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.